Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mercedes-Benz Vito. So from any screen, if we go on to Navi here, it's bringing up the actual sat-nav itself. There's no sign for input, so if we click this back arrow, you've got last destinations and enter destinations, which you select by moving the rotary control. Enter destination, and you've got enter address, enter point of interest. So enter address, it's already got our address, but I'm going to select the town and postcode, and then it's quite a good system. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. Now we're on, see there, if we just carry on and turn the rotary control, you'll get to the numbers, PR5, 4, and then back up to the letters J, S. That's it. So we click OK. I don't want a street, so just turn down to start guidance, click start guidance. It's asking me if I want to add as a stopover. I don't. I want to replace the old destination. Click on there. That's it. Just, you've got use route there, or calculate alternative routes. Use route. That's it done.